Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Why You So Envious, and today, let me be honest, um, I started recording this and realized it wasn't recording. So my travel with Neens binder, the domestic and the international travel has already been done. You can see it's getting kind of chunky. I'm gonna have to buy back some of these $2 bills, but it's already been done. So this video is gonna be a little shorter than normal. Sorry about that. I just happened to look up and realize that it was off. I was like, wait a minute. So today we're going to do the other travel binders that I have. This is for my cruise that I'm taking in 2026 with my family. And then this is for um, Africa. I got plans to go to Africa, and I've got to take 5 people. And of course, y'all know that's a lot of folks, right? So we need to save for it. So that's what we're going to be working on. This is our new binder by Unique Touch Creations. It's a A7 binder. She had it in A5, I believe, but I sent a message and asked her if she would create it in A7 since I saw that she already had some other A7 challenges, and she did. So we will get to the, you know what, let's go ahead and do this one first. So again, today is Tuesday. We are gonna do $2 in this, and we may do a randomizer and do. Let me see. It says 45. I'm wondering if I ought to just go through them and pick out the ones that it might be easier that way. All right, so we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50, 52. I had $2 left from another challenge from the international, and so I just put it over here. I think that's right. Anyway, I'm looking at some of these numbers, and I think, well, first thing, um, she sent this to me, and one of them was not punched. And I tried to punch it using my punch, and I did not line it up correctly or something. Oh, there it is. I think I did it backwards. Is that right? No, it's still not lined up. So I'm not really sure why my punch is lined up different from hers. So I have one that will kind of stay, I guess, unpunched, if you will. So I wanted to look at the dollar amounts, and we're going to go ahead and scratch off from the bigger amounts. So we're going to look for, let's get these, let's get the 75, the 60. Let's scratch some off of these bigger ones, and then we'll use, once we get, them done, we'll do the smaller ones. That's the way I think I'm going to approach it. So let's find 75, and if you want to just flip through it real quick and kind of see the girls. Let me see if it'll let me. Uh-oh, winning too much. All right, I think that's going to be the best I can do. Okay, so she was 45. This one is 10. This one is 56. 24, and they are so pretty. I wish I could see how pretty they really are. 19, 15. This one is 60. And I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to attack the bigger ones first. This is 75. This is the one I was looking for. So it's got 3 on it. So they are probably fairly large amounts. So we'll just start up here. Yep, 25. So we're going to put 26 in here because we have a $2 bill, y'all. So we're going to put $26 in here. So that's going to be 13 of our bills. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. Okay. And of course, I'm going to have to uh, buy those back because it's gonna get huge. Okay, that one was uh, 70. Let's find. So that, I mean 70. That was 75. 75. Let's find 60, and I think yeah, and I think there's another one of these somewhere. So let's find 60, and it is. I don't think I want that far. Okay, there it is. All right, this is 60, and this one looks like it's fairly large too. Is it 30s? Hopefully they're 20s. Yes, they're 20s. All of them are 20. Okay, so I've got that. Right. All right, that's 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Okay, and again, that should be 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, that's 10. And that's 20 going into Africa. And so, yeah, I'm going to, me and the family at some point are going to take a trip to Africa. And so we're going to start saving for it. Okay. And again, this is from, and I had to write it down, y'all. Unique Touch Creations. It's a Etsy shop, right? Instead of trying to stuff $6 and going over or whatever, I'm just gonna move this to the cruise. Okay. It's all travel, so it's all going to travel. All right, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30. They're sticking together, y'all. 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. And plus these 6 is 56. All right, so let's open up this. And again, guys, this is my cruise. So, stop. My dog just jumped up on me, y'all. Sorry. Stop. Stop. It hurts. She hurt me, y'all. All right. Ports of call. Let's see. The ports of call are Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, Bahamas, St. Lucia, the Cayman Islands, and Jamaica. And this is from Budget with Lisa. And let's see, I think we're going to make each one of these $4 because that would be $24, right? So let's write them in. And I'm just going to write over because I'm going to complete this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times 4 is 24. And so we're going to do $24 in this one. And so that's going to be a completed challenge. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So that's going to be 24. And so that's 1. Y'all don't think I had a ding, ding, ding in here with me. All right, let's keep going. So that was that. And this one says excursions. Oh, is it the next? Yeah, that's next week. Okay. This one is, it says slide down a waterfall, $8. So we're going to slide down the waterfall for $8. Y'all should put the cruise on here. Today is 9/9/25, and I'm going to put cruise. Okay. And slide that back over here. And we're going to do the same thing here. This is 9/9/25. Circle that and put cruise. And yeah, instead of 8, I think I'm going to move it up to 10. Because when I'm Well, no, we're just gonna leave it at 8. Well, when I'm buying back these, sometimes I can't buy. I can put a 10 instead of 8 because I have a $10 bill. So that's what I'm gonna do because I buy back all the twos, but I'm gonna leave it at 8 for right now. 2, 4, 6, 8. So yeah, that's another one down, and I've got to find some more cruise themed challenges. I saw a few on Etsy that I think I'm gonna go grab. But let's look at some of these. Again, guys, I'm just trying to, let's see, 1, 2, 3, oops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 times 2 would be 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And so these will be $1 each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I didn't do that right. So 8 times 5 is 40. I know this ain't $40. 2, 4, right? Because they'll be $1 each. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go back and get these others. And we'll play these little games like this last. Okay, we'll play these last when we have finished the parts of this box. And again, it's a box, y'all. I'm just doing it my way. Yeah. All right, so this one is, we're going to make these $4 each. And we'll make this $24 as well. And it's going to cruise. And this one was the excursions, okay? And again, just finishing up, trying to get them ready. So I did finish 3 challenges today, and I'm happy about that, okay? So I will get these put in the ding, 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 y'all. I left it in the other room, so I'll have to go get it. So sorry that I was not recorded for Neen, and y'all, I put $200, $250 in that. That's why it's so big, because actually I put $250 in domestic, and I put $50 in international. Yeah, so that's why it's so fat, but I'll get it condensed for the next video, okay? All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.